Day in and day out for the last 12 years, I've been immersed in the world of motivational interviewing, both as a health and wellness coach and an MI trainer. I've been embracing the spirit of MI over this period, and it now morphs into pretty much every aspect of my being. My two boys are currently obsessed with the music from K-pop Demon Hunters, so that's been the soundtrack of our lives for the past couple of months. And the lyrics to those songs are profound on their own account. I'm thrilled to see that themes of embracing your shadow self, being true to yourself, and loving yourself despite flaws are taking over the collective consciousness. And I was inspired to tweak the lyrics a bit from "This is what it sounds like" to "This is what MI sounds like." Check it out. We have embraced the MI spirit and we can't go back. And now we're seeing all the beauty in ambivalence. Reflect with empathy, darkness and harmony. The hope that's deep inside this is what MI sounds like. Why did we try to fix and problem solve it all for them? Evoke and power, let them do that work themselves instead. Tell me what's underneath, you'll find your harmony. The hope that's deep inside this is what MI sounds like. This is what MI sounds like. You're super frustrated and things just aren't working for you like they used to. This is what MI sounds like. On the one hand, smoking feels relaxing, and on the other, it's actually making you even more stressed. This is what MI sounds like. It's your longevity, it's your mobility. You're tired of feeling limited. This is what MI sounds like. We have embraced the MI spirit and we can't go back. And now we're seeing all the beauty in ambivalence. Reflect with empathy, darkness and harmony. The hope that's deep inside this is what MI sounds like. Why did we try to fix and problem solve it all for them? Evoke and power, let them do that work themselves instead. Tell me what's underneath, you'll find your harmony. The hope that's deep inside this is what MI sounds like. Reflecting all the sides, this is what MI sounds like. We plant the seeds of change, this is what MI sounds like. Affirming efforts made, character strength shine bright. Science spirit unite, this is what MI sounds like. Once you release this, you'll become free from these shackles that have been holding you back, and you'll be able to walk on this healthier path. Even in the middle of a hard time, you're still pushing through and trying to make it happen so you can build up your strength and not lose your ability to walk. You are doing this for yourself and also because your family needs you. You are learning to love yourself again.